welcome back to my channel. It's krystlelucretia back with a new video, and I thought I would start Vlogmas. I don't know how far I'll go with that, maybe 1 or 2 videos, but it will be quite interesting to do in Berlin post-corona, post everything. I got my layers on, got my winter jacket on, and I'm ready to go. So peace, see you in a few minutes. At family Winterwonderland, basically what they have in Hyde Park. It's a lot of sweets. Just taking a look around, seeing what's here. It's super big. I didn't realize they didn't have this here last year in Spandau. Super long line for food. They're selling sausages, like sausages and like sauerkraut or something. All the way down in there, guys. Oh my god, this is so big. If you do come here, you have to have the peas, you have to have the moolah, you have to have the money. The rides are probably from 5 to 7 euros, but there's a large amount of rides. There's also places to eat. I didn't know they had so much food. Hot drinks, burgers, new wine, mulled wine, guys.
Okay.
I'm not into riding unless you go to like Thorn Park or something. I don't know what the equivalent of Thorn Park is in Berlin. My palace, guys. This Crystal Palace. So guys, I'm gonna get a Winterwonderland Spieß. Oh, it's warm. It's warm, guys.
I would like to get to know if you could be what kind of girl that you could.
Hey guys, I think I'm gonna end up going now. I'm a bit cold. But thank you for joining me guys today. Thank you guys for joining me at the family Wonderland in Spandau. Peace out guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. So hey guys, I thought I would share with you what I got for my advent calendar for this year. It's in a nice Douglas box. This is like a makeup kind of drugstore here in Berlin, and I ordered my advent calendar from them, but there's another brand inside. So let's open it. So we're doing a, you know, together open it with me kind of video. Oh, I'm excited because today is actually, okay, Okay, I want you guys to hear me because it's so loud. Today is actually the 1st of December and I wanted to open my first door. It's kind of heavy. Hold on. First impressions. Cool. I like it. I kind of already saw it on the website. So here it is, guys. The Kiels Advent Calendar. Wow. I'm excited. This is my first Advent calendar as an adult. Here's number one. This is the one that I'll be opening today. There's a little plane on it. So I have the oil to this, so maybe it might work well with the oil. So it says, ooh, a replenishing night cream in a cloud-like texture for plumped, younger looking skin. Well, I need some plump like a cream. I already had a feel, it's very soft. And I am excited to use this tonight.